have a chance to see them again. Wonderful that more I come on On behalf of Jungle Navigation Company Limited, welcome to the very famous Jungle River Cruise. I am your skipper today, Vincent. Come to take your visit to that. Before we go, safety rules. Remember, hand and elbow inside the boat. Sit down, don't stand up, and take care of your children. 聽和相對特別曬大多，該數一定睇低喺嗰度，或者你嚟佢哋晒咧。Okay, everyone. Okay.
Okay.
I can hear you. Okay.
Okay.
你聲緊要停穩。Okay.
Okay.
Yes, this is legal adventures, right? If you yes, this hand inside the boat, and also this hand inside the boat. Yes. And then on the right hand side, this is Tarzan tree house. Some Barclay scientists want to find going to this way. But can you see anyone? See anyone? I can't see anyone. The scientists must get lost in the jungle again. Hope nothing ever to them. It would be better if we can be there in the jungle. Fingers crossed. Hello, please don't take your seat. Thank you very much. Stay on here, okay? 或者塔山tree house 台灣呢個卡卡城有很多塔山 tree house。塔山呢三個是叫乜事？你冇個個英文打嚟我唔發聲，單隻卡卡城就只係英文冇你就可以買咗佢得真得，我先係得而已啊。小車回來。Wow, what's this one? He's going to spray water on us, but don't worry, yeah, I teach you a magic word. Say with me, together. No, 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 no. Remember this magic word? You will try. You may want to read it later. In the right hand side is elder brother elephant taking shower under the waterfall. 或者把它收的時候，現在你看看the face of the tyrant. Okay, wait, father elephant, you are not gonna splash water on us, right? Guys, he's going to splash water on us. If you don't want to get wet, what do you want to do? First, hand inside the boat, hand inside the boat. Thank you very much. And then, remember what I do before, what I say before. And now we get down. We don't have time for saying the magic word now. When we say this, you already splash water on us. Oh, we get into the Asian temple ruins. Why you know that? Because I see them. 講咗個啲新嘅咪就結嘅時候，佢哋in here and they can jump and come to here very fast, right? And then on the front, we have an elephant god Ganesha beside him with that cobra. We better keep quiet, or the cobra will bite us. 試住看你 step 得晒，可不能靠我學的那樣。Luckily they don't bring in glasses. But keep alert because which animal in here? Remember what they eat to grow up? They eat hands to grow up. So remember, hand and elbow inside the boat or they will bite your elbow and eat your apple. I mean the fruit, nothing else, okay? And then in the front we have an international scientist campsite. Because you know what? Wow, so many gorillas on here. Wait, gorillas? Where's the scientist? A scientist campsite without a scientist, just like fish and chips without fish and chips. Nothing else, right? こちら高橋いないの高橋キャンプは玉ねぎのネギドギみたいな別のものになりましたよ。だから別の場所に行きましょう。Okay, wow, we arrived at the African Safari Zone. So many animals. What's this one? With black and white?
Zebra.
Yes. Do you know? Wait, Jenna. Fun fact. Male zebra is black with white strip. Female zebra is white with black strip. Yeah, you have a great potential to become a good skipper. Yes. If you want to become a skipper, please contact Jungle Navigation Company Limited. I work on there. Okay? Yeah, we are left of hand. We can't wait for you to join. And then remember, elbow inside the boat, please. Thank you very much. Yes, and also, say elbow inside the boat, please. Thank you very much. Yes. Okay. Remember, pet stick on the chair. Don't stand up. Okay. Don't stand up. Okay. And then, now let me present you the most dangerous animal here. Mr. Elephant. 佢只有雙手啊，講到無論點講嘅。我睇睇事實here, this Mr. Elephant was more dangerous than the 親啦。佢只有雙手，見到單單上咗你幫特見緊嘅時候，哎呀啦，轉頭可以放棄啦。Oh, those people are here. They always say, oh, we see he stole my boat, skip my boat. And one more here, you're not so stinky. Brush your teeth out. Oh, those poor scientists got taken over at the campsite and then now got stung by the rhino. Do you know what is the most bottom thinking? I bet he must be thinking the end is near. seems like got a point, right? こっちの価格差は何が起きているかまだわからないからお尻フリフリで知りませんで絶対できます。これはジャングルボケです。ぜひぜひ使ってみてください。And on the front, wow, so many beautiful flags. Must be the friendly local welcoming us into their village. こっちの肌はきっとここの市民たちを買いに来ましたよ。No one on here. Let's say hello to them. Maybe they will come out. Hello, anyone here? Let's come and play together. Hello. Wow, you are very handsome. Let's come and play together. Okay. Wow, they are showing us. This must be the dance of celebration. Does anyone got any bats from those friendly local? If yes, please pass it to your skipper because this is my souvenirs, okay? もしダーツもらったらこっちに渡してください。これは船長の贈り物です。Yeah, and then a question. Do you guys like this journey? Anyone? No? Does anyone? Yeah. Do you like this journey? Yeah, we are going to go back. Yeah, you like this journey? Do you like?
Yeah.
Yes, right? Yeah. Again, do you like this journey?
Yes. Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, because this journey is very interesting, exciting, and the most important thing is your skipper is very handsome, right?
Yes.
Yes, lucky you say yes. If you say no, I won't bring you back. Yeah, then after pass through this road, we can go back and then we see, hey! We can use this road, we go this way. See it well, everyone. Wait, Rantis? Although I don't know Rantis, your skipper is professional. Everything is under control. We can use the back door, front door, we use the back to leave here. 我知道㗎，你哋幾？Oh, we can use the back. We got stuck on here 啦，台啲 comment 得咗。Oh, got on fire. Please don't burn your skipper. Handsome face that got on fire.
Ah, ito pala yun.
We got the fire station. It burns it. Wow, check it out. Wow.
Ito pala yung tumutunog kanina.
Does anyone get burned? I love barbecue smell. Everyone is fine. Oh, it's a baby elephant welcome back. まだそうですよ。さっきの焼肉の匂いはないから多分みんな大丈夫と思います。Okay, and then you see the baby elephant means our journey is going to end. Remember, still hand and elbow inside the boat. Sit down, don't stand up and take care of your children. 不要動 on here or not on here, okay? この反応すぐ終わります。手を外に伸ばさないとしっかり座って立てないのことを忘れないでくださいね。はい啦。子供もちゃんと見守ってください。And then now we are going back. Let's say goodbye to the baby elephant. Bye bye. のバイバイバイバイして。バイバイ。船降りるときに真ん中の後ろの灰色の出口から出てください。窓に出たらゴリラになりますよ。When we leave the boat, remember using the middle and the back door to lift the boat. Don't handle window because they have a magic glasses protecting it. Only clever people can see that. You can see that, right? Yeah, you guys can see that, right?
Yeah.
Everyone can see that, right? If yes, don't climb the window because if you break it, you will become a gorilla and I will send you to jungle in banana in the rest of your whole life. So, clever people don't climb the window. Okay? And then now, my boat has stopped. It's time to say what? Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Yeah, take your time by yourself. 足元気をつけてください。Yeah. We can also use the back door and turn around and use that door way more faster. Yeah.